right, hey, yo, Rob in New Jersey. What's up, buddy? These are quick calls, man. I'm just going to listen and we're going to try to help you out. Rob?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man, how you doing?
Oh, good. How are you? I have a girlfriend. I've been with her for 4 years. But like lately, the last year or so, every day we've been fighting over like just girls I have in my life. She's really insecure. She gets crazy over everything, and it's just like it's pissing me off at this point.
I'll tell you what. Thanks for the call, Rob. I'm gonna tell you what's going on. You gotta listen. You need her to be like that. You gotta understand. Every time a woman gets to a point where you guys are arguing and y'all are angry at each other, it's her trying to gain another belt. Meaning, if it's the karate class analogy. So anytime if she starts at a white belt, right, she's going to do things to test you because she's going to think, oh, I know everything you got to teach me. She's challenging you, and then what happens is when you prove that you're still better than her in terms of the fight, she bows down to you and goes, yes, master, you are better than me, and then you give her another belt. And figuratively, you give her another belt. Now she's going to think you're the master for a while until she wants to fight you again. And the journey is you have to keep being better than her. You understand? Great. You have to keep flipping her on her head when she gets into a karate stance. And when you got women in your life, don't you ever get women out of your life if they're in there. Because that particular thing that she's on, that's her trying to get her belt. So long as she keeps, like, you fucking with this girl, you can still practice your karate. See, my bitch, she doesn't get jealous of, because now she wants to fuck other girls, you know what I mean? So I can't keep her jealous with just the presence of other women. So I gotta still, like, know the fucking karate shit, you know what I mean? But if your girl is focused on some other bitches, then that's good. That's less work for you. And it also means less work for you keeps you sexy to her because other bitches want you, or she imagines other bitches wanting you, and then you don't have to argue as much. Here's what you do. Don't be reactionary to her emotions. Just when she starts pissing you off, just go, what are you going to do? You challenge her. If she wants to bounce, it might hurt you, but let her bounce.